Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Tech and Creative channel Vijaya. Today topic benefits of Tally, importance of Tally, uses of Tally. ఇప్పుడు మనం టాలీ గురించి ఇంపార్టెన్స్ అవి తెలుసుకుందాం. స్క్రీన్ మీద కనబడుతుంది వై టాలీ used in business. Why Tally is used in business? Main point. First point, control company tax. Control company tax. Next point, less time consuming. Less time consuming. Third point, easy to use and handle. Easy to use and handle. Next point, human errors eliminated on the data. Human errors eliminated on the data. We get an accurate result. Fifth point, fast report files. Fast report files. Transactions. Sixth point, easy to upload written files on government portal. Next point, seventh point, web-enabled services. Web-enabled services. Next point, eighth point, to get easy and fast documents accesses. Next point, data security. These are the main points in why Tally used in business. కంపెనీలో ట్యాక్స్ కంట్రోల్ చేయడానికి ఎంత పే చేస్తే ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుందో అది కంట్రోల్ చేయడానికి. లెస్ టైం కన్స్యూమింగ్. ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ ఓచెస్ ద్వారా ఇవ్వడం అవి చాలా ఫాస్ట్ గా అవుతారు. లెస్ టైం కన్స్యూమింగ్. టాలీ యూస్ఫుల్ బిజినెస్ లో. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈజీ టు యూస్ అండ్ హ్యాండిల్. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ టు యూస్ అండ్ హ్యాండిల్. హ్యూమన్ ఎర్రర్స్ ఎలిమినేటెడ్ ఆన్ ద డేటా. As it is, Tally gives accurate results. No errors, with no errors. Fifth point, fast report files transactions. Fast ga files report transactions avutuntayi. Easy to upload written files on government portal. GST filing ivi government portal easy ga avutayi. Web enabled services. to get easy and fast document access. Ninth one, data security. ఇది security ఎక్కువ. Next one, business management. Business management. According to Tally ERP9, ERP9 అంటే E అంటే stands for enterprise. R for resource. P అంటే planning. ఇక్కడ మీరు చూస్తున్న టాపిక్ లో బిజినెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ లో ఈఆర్పి స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్ ఈ ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్, ఆర్ ఫర్ రిసోర్స్ అండ్ పి ఫర్ ప్లానింగ్. ఈ బిజినెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అన్నది ఒక సర్కిల్ లో వెళ్తుంటది. ఫస్ట్ డీల్స్ విత్ కంపెనీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. కంపెనీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ దాని ప్రకారం తర్వాత మనం లెడ్జర్స్ అండ్ గ్రూప్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. కంపెనీ క్రియేట్ చేశాక లెడ్జర్స్ అండ్ గ్రూప్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్, ఇన్వెంటరీ ఐటమ్స్. ఇన్వెంటరీ ఐటమ్స్, స్టాక్, గూడ్స్, ఎక్సెట్రా. నెక్స్ట్ సర్కిల్లో అకౌంటింగ్ ఇన్వెంటరీ వాచెస్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి. ఐటమ్స్ ఇన్వెంటరీ స్టాక్స్ క్రియేట్ చేశాక అకౌంటింగ్ ఇన్వెంటరీ వాచెస్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్, కంపెనీ ఫ్యూచర్స్ లో సెట్టింగ్స్ లో మనం కొన్ని సెట్టింగ్స్ ఎనేబుల్ చేయాలి. ఎస్ అని కంపెనీ ఫీచర్స్ లో, టాలీలో కంపెనీ ఫీచర్స్ లో F11 షార్ట్ కట్ కి F11 లో మనం సెట్టింగ్స్ ఎనేబుల్ ఎస్ అని చెయ్యాలి. దెన్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్. కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ అన్నది మనం వోచర్ ఎలా ప్రింట్ అవుట్ అవ్వాలో అవన్నీ సెట్టింగ్స్ ఇందులో చూపిస్తుంది. దీనికి షార్ట్ కట్ కి F12. F12. Next one, reporting. Reporting. Next step, statutory. Statutory. And taxation. అంటే జిఎస్టి ఎనేబుల్ చేయడం, అది F3. సెట్ F11 ఫీచర్స్ లో F3 లో రిపోర్టింగ్, టాక్సేషన్, ఎంటర్ ఎనేబుల్ ఎస్ చేయాలి. ఈ విధంగా బిజినెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ రన్ అవుతుంటది. Coming to types of software in Tally. Types of software. Tally. ఇందులో మనకి రెండు టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి. టాలీ సిల్వర్, ఇది సింగిల్ యూజర్. నెక్స్ట్ టాలీ గోల్డ్, ఇది మల్టీ యూజర్. Next chapter, benefits of tally. Tally benefits ఏటో చూద్దాం. Multiply career opportunities. First one, multiply career opportunities. Like tally operator, tally freelancer, billing executives, accountant, admin executives, audit executives, etc. ఇలా కంపెనీస్ లో మనం టాలీ ఆపరేటర్స్ కింద బిల్లింగ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్, అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటివ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్స్, ఆడిట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్స్, అకౌంటెంట్ కింద జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీ అప్లికెంట్స్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, కెరియర్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్. Management, career progression and management. Next point, designed on GST complaint. Designed on compliance. Next one, digital verifiable digital certificate. ఈ సర్టిఫికేట్ చాలా యూస్ఫుల్. ఈ వెరిఫైడ్ డిజిటల్ సర్టిఫికేట్ చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ ద అప్లికెంట్స్. Next chapter, basic information on tally. Tally is recognized as one of the leading accounting packages across the world. It is universal package used in 100 countries. Is a complete business solution. Solution software. Next point. It is a multi-platform, single task. It is a multi-platform. Single task. Next point. It is an accounting software where all the banking, auditing, accounting works are done. Next point. Importance of Tally. In importance of Tally, you can have after completing the Tally course, the applicants get open to countless job opportunities. Like admin executive, audit executives, and many more. Many more job opportunities available. Next point. Tally course provides easy to use accounting features that permit you to record business transactions easily and instantly. You can record transactions required for your business. required for your business. By creating and maintaining master swatchers and generating reports. This is the basic information and Tally. Tally Codes provides easy to use accounting features that permit you to record business transactions easily and instantly. You can record transactions required for your business by creating and maintaining master swatches and generating reports. Next chapter, the features of Tally. The features of Tally. First point, it is related to accounting, billing, sales and profit analysis, banking and taxation, next point. It's basically a computer software. It is basically a computer software which is widely used in accounting purposes. It is widely used in accounting purposes by small and large industries. Small and large scale industries. Next point. It is a course that teaches it is a course that teaches students the skills and knowledge in skills and knowledge they'll need to work in the finance industries. To work in the financial industries. టాలీకి చాలా ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంది స్టూడెంట్స్ కి. వాళ్ళకి టాలీ నేర్చుకునేటప్పుడు ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ లో వచ్చే నాలెడ్జ్ అంతా బిల్లింగ్ దీంట్లో వాళ్ళకి స్కిల్ బాగా వస్తుంది టాలీ కోర్స్ నేర్చుకోవడం వల్ల. నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్, టాలీ ఎలాగ ప్రాసెస్ చేస్తారంటే, టాలీ ప్రాసెస్ టు క్రియేట్ ఎ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అండ్ టాలీ కొన్ని ప్రొసీజర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, స్టెప్స్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. క్రియేట్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అండ్ టాలీ we have to follow steps, procedures, settings, path, etc. టాలీలో 15 primary groups, 13 subgroups. Next chapter, we have to create vouchers as tally. For each transaction, we have to automatically creates balance sheet. Tally automatically creates balance sheet. Tally automatically creates balance sheets. Profit and loss account. We can check it in display menu. Next point, Tally has many functions. Many functions, keys, shortcut keys, Next point, the kind of transaction, whether purchase, sales, are done according to the type of transaction, transactions. Next point, to record purchase transaction, in purchase voucher. Shortcut key F9. Like this, Tally permits a lot of functions. We can use Tally, inventory, management, and go downs management. Go down management to store goods, transit to stores, shop to customers. Here the procedure we use function key Alt F7, Alt plus F7. Alt F7 is for go downs, to transit to stores, shop to customers. It is a stock general voucher. When business tie up with foreign countries, the currency symbol changes. So in Tally, we have the option to change currency symbol according to the preferred country. Next one. In Tally, we can check the bills, receivables, it consists of sundry datas, where sundry data are core to business, we can check the pending amount they still have to pay. Through bills receivable, through bills payable, we can check the sundry creditors. The balance amount still have to pay to the suppliers by the company. These are very important in tally. Next point, we can check the price levels of the products at different stages. Different stages, raw materials, semi-finished goods, finished goods. The price levels differed. When it reaches to dealer, wholesaler, retailer, and customer, the price levels increases. So we can estimate these differences by using price levels in tally. Next point, in management purposes, the company's revenues, expenditure, can be estimated for each department wise. branch wise, by creating cost category and cost centers. In Tally. Next point, we can know the finance position of each category like department wise, cost centers, marketing wise, and each person's salary like executives, etc. కాస్ట్ సెంటర్స్ కాస్ట్ కేటగిరీ ద్వారా మనం డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వైజ్ లో ఉన్న రెవెన్యూ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్స్ ఎస్టిమేట్ చేయొచ్చు. బ్రాంచ్ వైజ్, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వైజ్ కేటగిరీస్ లో ఫర్ ఈచ్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఎస్టిమేట్ చేయడానికి కాస్ట్ అండ్ కేటగిరీస్ ద్వారా టాలీలో మనకి ఇది బాగా యూస్ఫుల్. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, టు నో ద జిఎస్టి classification Tally, you can know the taxation by using Tally. Next point, in Tally, we can prepare bank reconciliation statement and can reconcile BRS by using F5 button. Bank reconciliation statement, company bank account, బ్యాంక్ పాస్బుక్ రెండు టాలీ అవ్వడానికి బిఆర్ఎస్ రికన్సిల్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ద్వారా F5 బటన్ ద్వారా టాలీ చేయడానికి టాలీ బాగా యూస్ఫుల్. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, టు మేనేజ్ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ట్రేడింగ్ అకౌంట్, లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ లెఫ్ట్ అయిన అకౌంట్స్, క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్, గూడ్స్ ఎంత పెండింగ్ ఉన్న అమౌంట్, లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ అకౌంట్ అన్ని మేనేజ్ చేయడానికి టాలీ ద్వారా లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ట్రేడింగ్ అకౌంట్, ఓపెనింగ్ స్టాక్, పర్చేస్, సేల్స్ కి ఈ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ట్రేడింగ్ అకౌంట్ టాలీ ద్వారా ఈజీగా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, we can have options for stock items which are sold for trade discounts and cash discounts. కంపెనీ రన్ చేసేటప్పుడు గూడ్స్ కొనేటప్పుడు సప్లైర్ దగ్గర నుంచి ట్రేడ్ డిస్కౌంట్స్ మనకి ఆఫర్ అవుతాయి. ఎంటర్ చేయడానికి ప్లస్ కస్టమర్ కి గూడ్స్ అమ్మేటప్పుడు డిస్కౌంట్ ఇస్తాం సన్రీ డేటర్స్ కి. దానికి ఈ ఆప్షన్ చాలా టాలీ ద్వారా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ద యూజెస్ ఆఫ్ టాలీ. అండర్స్టాండింగ్ exact profit and loss in business and payable taxes. Next point, we can find how many people related to a business are owed to us. Next point, liabilities, how much we have to pay other person related to a business. Liabilities, how much we have to pay other person related to a business. Next point, what are the expenses and income in our business? We can find the expenses and incomes in the business through tally by executing that function. In display menu, we can check the expenses and income in profit and loss statement. Next point, what are and how much the investments are done or from the business. Next point, position of cash and bank statement, bank balances, of a business. You can find the position of cash, how much balance are left in the business through preparing cash and bank reconciliation statement and cash and flow funds are automatically created by Tally. These are the uses of Tally. Let's see next chapter. In Tally, we have the uses of Tally. See this PowerPoint presentation. The uses of Tally. Understanding exact profit and loss in business. How many people related to a business own to us. Liabilities, how much we have to pay other person related to a business. What are the expenses and income in our business? What and how much is the investment done from business? Position of cash and bank balances in the business we can find out by using Tally. Next point, Tally benefits. See this presentation. Tally benefits. It creates multiple career opportunities like Tally operators, freelancers, accountant, billing executives. Second point, careers progression and management. Third point, designed on GST compliant Tally. Verifiable digital certificate. It gives verifiable digital certificate. Next point, introduction to Tally. Let's see the introduction of Tally. Tally is an accounting package. The first version of Tally was released in 1986, and through continuous development, it is now recognized as one of the leading accounting packages across the world. It is a universal package used in 100 countries. It is used in India, UK, Bangladesh, Middle East, etc. Complete business solution software where purchase investment will be easy. Its share is more than 90%. Tally also permits you to carry out, manage all of the major accounting operations in your business. Cash and fund flow, bank reconciliation, banking, inventory are done in and managed in Tally. It is a major accounting operations. Tally is basically a computer software which is widely used for accounting purposes by small and large scale industries. It is an accounting software where all the banking, auditing, accounting works are done with the help of the software. After completing the Tally course, the applicants can open to a countless job opportunities like admin executives, accounts executives, audit executives, and many more. Tally course provides easy to use accounting features. It permits you to record business transaction easily and instantly. You can record transactions required for your business by creating and maintaining master watches and generating reports. When a person is engaged in a business, he has to maintain a record of all business transactions and pay tax accordingly. Final statement is prepared with the help of these books of accounts. These are the introduction to Tally. See the next chapter. Business management. In Tally, you can see the business management, how it will be managed. Tally ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. To do a problem in Tally, first we have to give company information. Company information means email, address, name of the company, financial year. We have to enter in company information and press Control A. And next step, we have to create ledgers and groups. In Tally, we have 15 primary groups and 13 subgroups. Balance sheet, liabilities, all expenses and losses are there in groups. We have to enter according to the group. Next step, we have to enter items. We have to create stock items, inventory items and goods stock. Next step, we have to create vouchers. According to the transaction, we have to create what type of transaction is done according to purchase voucher, purchase entry. We have to enter purchase voucher. For sales entries, we have to enter sales vouchers. There are shortcut keys in Tally. Return goods, return purchase and sales. We have shortcut keys Alt F9, Control F9. Next step, company features and configuration. Company features shortcut key F11, configuration F12. In company features, we have to enable the desired statements into S. F11, we have F1 accounting vouchers, F2 inventory vouchers, F3 statutory taxations. Configuration to print a voucher, we have to give in configurations F12. Shortcut key for F configuration F12. Reporting, GST reporting files on web government portal, we have to give statutory and taxation GST enable yes. Utilities and others. These are the main important business management run by Tally. Bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. It is a statement which is prepared to reconcile the causes of difference between bank balance as per cash book and bank balance as per passbook. Cash book lo bank balance, passbook lo bank balance rendu tally avval. Cash book is prepared by business track of transfer cash in hand and cash at bank. Passbook, it is a bank statement to track the and keep the track of customers. What is reconciliation? Let's see what is reconciliation. Compare internal cash register to the bank statement. Identify payments recorded in the internal cash register and not in the bank statement, vice versa. Confirm that cash receipts and deposits are recorded in the cash register and bank statement. Watch out for bank errors, balance both records. And the steps for bank reconciliation steps are get bank records. You need a list of transactions from the bank, get business records, open your ledger income outgoings, find your starting point, run through the bank deposits, check the income on your business, check the income on your books, run through bank withdrawals, check the expenses on your books, end balance. And the 3 steps methods in bank reconciliation: comparing your statements, adjusting your balances, recording the reconciliations. Bank reconciliation step-by-step guide is compare the deposits, match the deposits in the business records with those in the bank statement. Adjust the bank statement, adjust the balance on the bank statements to the corrected balances. Adjust the cash account, compare the balances. These are the mainly described about the bank reconciliation statement. Let's see the 15 primary and subgroups in Tally, 13 subgroups in Tally. Here you can see 15 primary groups: branch and division, capital account, current assets, current liabilities, direct expenses, direct incomes, fixed assets, indirect expenses, indirect incomes, investments, loans, liability, miscellaneous expenses, purchase account, sales account, suspense account. These are the 15 primary groups in Tally. And let's see the 13 subgroups. Bank accounts comes under current asset. Bank overdraft under loans liability. Cash in hand current asset. Deposit current asset. Duties and taxes current liabilities. Loans and advances current assets. Provisions current liabilities. Reserves and surplus current capital account. Secured loans, liability, stock in hand current asset, sundry creditors current liabilities, sundry debtors current assets, unsecured loans, loans liability. These are the 15 primary groups and 13 subgroups in Tally. Let's see the principles of accounting. In this principle of accounting, there are 3 golden rules. That is personal account. The golden rule is the personal account debit the receiver and credit the giver. It deals with natural artificial representatives related to individuals, firms, and companies. Example, debtors, creditors, bank outstanding account of customers, account of goods supplies, capital, drawings, depreciation of furniture, etc. And next account is real account. Real account, the golden rule is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. It mainly described about the area and balance sheet in which real account are found are assets and liabilities and equity. For example, cash, account receivable, fixed assets. And the third account is nominal account. The golden rule for nominal account is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. It is generally deals with general ledger pertaining to all income, expenses, and losses and gains. For example, interest account. These are the 3 principles of accounting. Accrued revenues. Accrued revenues means it is a revenue being earned by providing a good or service for not cash not be received. Interest income are recorded as receivables on bills receivable. Accrued expenses, it is known as accrued liability that refers to an expenses that is recognized on books before it has been paid. Unearned revenues, it is recorded on a company's balance sheet as a liability. It is treated as liability because the revenue has still not been earned and represents products or services owned by the customer. Prepaid expenses, and it is a type of asset on balance sheet that results from a business making advance payment of goods or services to be received in the future. Prepaid expenses are initially recorded as assets, but their value is expended over time on income statements. Outstanding salaries. The entry for outstanding salaries is salary to outstanding salary. Salary account data to outstanding salary. For example, 20,000 salaries outstanding expenses. The entry we have to create is salary account data to outstanding salary. Interest due but not paid. For example, interest on bank loan to interest outstanding is the entry. Prepaid rent, example, the entry will have to enter prepaid rent account data to cash account. Prepaid is a benefit in future. Prepaid insurance, for example, prepaid insurance account data to cash. Income received in advance. Sometimes in business, we may receive some incomes in advance in spite of not rendering the services. It is also known as unearned income. Example, received in advance. For this, you have to give the entry cash account data to commission received in account. Commission received in advance is the entry. Accrued income interest. It is an income earned during a particular accounting period but not received until the end of the period. Next point, interest on investment earned but not received, rent due but not collected, etc. You are going to get income benefit in future. This is about accrued revenues, accrued expenses, unearned revenues, prepaid expenses. So guys, if you are interested and like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching my video.